Part 2 of what the hell is Missy thinking? Missy, come on! Good girl, come on, baby. It is getting ready to cut loose. Come on, sweetie. Good girl. Come on, Pete. She'll go in when we all go in. Come on, girlfriend. I hear a hummer going by. He's doing all right. There it is. Oh, that's why. It's raining. She felt the first couple drops and said, yeah, I think I'll go in. Sure is pretty. Hasn't rained a lot with this, though. We've had a lot of storms, but it's not producing a lot of water, and we need it. Heard something cracking just now. It's never good. It's usually trees breaking. Oh, yeah. There's a couple. Can you hear it? Well, there's some water. Should be a lightning bolt or two after that. Reminds me, I gotta change that. My Hummer buddies just said, oh no, where's the food? I got one upstairs, but they like this one too. My friend Karen got me that. She don't like me no more though because I post all this political stuff. Just trying to watch out for the people. It's not my opinion, it's just the truth. But I digress. Isn't this awesome? Part 3 coming up.